I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
From this day forward, it's going to be only America first. America first.
Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, sir.
But we look forward to a lot of very positive things happening for Russia, for the United States.
Надеюсь, что, как вы сказали, наша встреча принесет позитивный результат.
Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but...
Taken in his direction, but that's not what he said. Correct.
The Russians interfered in our election during the 2016 cycle. They did it with purpose, they did it with sophistication, they did it with overwhelming technical efforts.
Do you swear that the testimony you are about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
There has been no collusion between the Trump campaign and Russians, or Trump and Russians. No collusion.
미국은 결코 나와 우리 국가를 상대로 전쟁을 걸어오지.
North Korea best not make any more threats to the United States. They will be met with fire and fury.
Here it's for you. Ich glaube, dass und bin fest überzeugt, dass eine Eskalation der
برجام میمانه ما راه رو ادامه میدیم
Using a deadly nerve agent, Assad choked out the lives of helpless men, women, and children. For their defense. This is not fair to the people and taxpayers of the United States. And many of these nations owe massive amounts of money from past years and not paying